Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy iPad during festive season, but they are confused between iPad 10th generation and iPad 9th generation. If you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case there will be one option in iPad section, and that is iPad 9th generation. But if you can spend more than 20,000 rupees, in that case iPad 10th generation might be a good choice. But if you can buy any of these two tablets and yet you want to save some money and you don't have much need of a tablet, your primary focus is reading, note taking, etc., in that case which tablet will be best for you? In this video I will discuss about that. Both the tablets is actually running on iPadOS 18.2, so in this case there is no difference. You will get the latest update also in iPad 9th generation. However, the update cycle will be better, or more updates will be there in case of iPad 10th generation, as it was launched in 2022. Plus, in terms of looks, iPad 10th generation has a more appealing look. There is no physical button on this iPad, plus the screen to body ratio is better on iPad 10th generation. It looks quite similar like iPad Air 5th generation or any other modern iPad. On the other hand, iPad 9th generation's look is little bit older and there are thick bezels on the top and also at the bottom. The display is equally good on both of these two tablets, so in the display department there will be no complaints whatsoever. You can enjoy your multimedia contents with ease. Plus, both the tablets supports 4K 60 FPS playback on YouTube. Both iPad 9th generation and also iPad 10th generation supports ipencil, but you have to buy it separately. You can also substitute this ipencil with a third-party ipencil. I have bought this Kingone ipencil for my iPad 10th generation and I am getting a very good experience while writing anything on the screen. Actually, the note-taking experience is very good. I have made dedicated video on the note-taking experience using this Kingone ipencil. You can watch that video and make your decision whether you should buy this ipencil or not. iPad 9th generation comes with a 13 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation comes with a 14 Bionic chipset, which is more powerful than iPad 9th generation's a 13 Bionic chipset. But if you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case also you can edit your videos on iPad 9th generation and you will get a very good experience. But if you compare these two tablets, iPad 10th generation is more powerful. If you talk about the battery life on iPad 9th generation and also on iPad 10th generation are very good. After some customization, I am getting around 8 to 10 hours screen on time on a single charge on my iPad 10th generation. So it might be said that the battery life is very good on both of these two tablets. The main downside of these two tablets is that the base variants of these two tablets come with only 64 GB of internal storage, so you have minimal storage and 64 GB will be filled up very soon, so you have to keep deleting things at regular intervals. In case of iPad 10th generation, you can use Type-C pen drive or SSD storage. So by spending around 28 to 30,000, you can buy iPad 10th generation with 64 GB of internal storage, or you can buy the 256 GB of iPad 9th generation by spending around 30,000 rupees. Now you have to make the decision whether you want the better processor or you want storage in your tablet. So finally, in the conclusion, if you ask me which tablet is best for you, first of all, if you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case there is no option for you other than buying iPad 9th generation. But if you want to save money and you have no budget issue, in that case you can buy iPad 10th generation. I think iPad 10th generation is a better value for money product at this point of time. But if there is no budget for you, you can also buy iPad 9th generation, which is also very good, and no Android tablet can beat this iPad 9th generation right now at this price bracket of 20,000 rupees. Only MI Pad 6 is near competitor of this tablet. Other than that, I see no tablet near iPad 9th generation. So let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy during sale. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.